What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're going over the Olynvolt Pocket. This is a portable massage device that is here to help relieve pain and muscle tension. It's about the size of a smartphone and isn't that heavy. You can take it wherever you like. But in this video, we're gonna go into if it's really worth it. But let's go ahead and get right into it. First, getting into the unboxing, it does have a little plastic to hold it in, and then it slips right out from there. It does have a little bit of a user manual, and then it has its little pocket here, and it also comes with a USB-C type cable and does not look like it comes with any charging brick, sadly. So taking it out, this is a nice white color, kind of looks like the shape of an egg with kind of a matte finish. Pops right out from there. I'm not exactly sure if this has any charge or not, but it does come with some pads, and of course it's 2 electrodes as well. So this doesn't have a smartphone app. All the buttons are actually on the face itself. It has its plus and minus, and it does have a power button right here at the top, and then the M button right down here to change out which mode you are using. So these little devices do come with 6 different massage modes and 19 different intensity levels. Those modes start at pounding mode, then kneading mode, then there's also an intelligent mode, a soothing mode, a scraping mode, and a press mode. The massage does last 15 minutes and it automatically times out at that point. There is also a 12-month warranty as well, so if something goes wrong, you should be able to get your money back. The little puck itself does come with 60 milliamp hours of power for the battery, where the actual case will come with 450 milliamp hours. They say you can get up to 24 hours of massages with both of these. With the little pins here at the bottom, you will be able to put it into the host. It will click, and it also has some LED notifications right here as well as far as battery is concerned. They say this is best used for your shoulder, your back, your hips, and your limbs. They say it's not best for your throat, your abdomen, your chest, or your head. So really quick, let's just pretend I have some trouble with some tennis elbow. I'm gonna take it off its adhesive right now, so you can tell relatively sticky. I'm gonna be putting it right where I would typically put stuff for my tennis elbow. And then I'm gonna lock these guys into place. They're kind of magnetic, so that's not really an issue. Then I'm gonna hit that power button. It is on now. And then I'm just gonna increase that intensity. Oh, hey, all right. Oh, and you should actually be able to tell there is some contraction that is going on. I'm not exactly sure how intense this is currently as it is pulsing, but I'm gonna go ahead and increase that intensity right now. Oh, yep, oh, wow. I did not anticipate this much intensity on this little guy to be perfect. It doesn't get any, it does. I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. Okay, yeah, that was that. So that was fun. I think I went all the way to the top and it turned itself off. So I think you do have to count your steps for that 19. So, and of course, taking off the device comes off relatively easily. I do have arm hair, so I am curious how this feels. Really, no problems whatsoever. Is there any residue? Of course, stick it in my hand a little bit. Of course, wow, no residue. That's big positive for me as well. And of course, you should keep your sticker on your person so you can put it right on there so it's ready to go for its next use. All right, needless to say, it's a pretty effective device, and it's saying it has 24 hours. It's probably saying it's going at the lowest. So it should probably get you anywhere from 3 to 5 massages if you're using the highest of intensities. But for about $79, you really can't be too upset about this guy. It is intense and it is really easy. You literally can slip this into your pocket or your gym bag to get yourself ready for a workout. A lot of the benefits they say can help with back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, muscle soreness, headaches, and stress. They say it also can help increase circulation and reduce inflammation as well. I mean, a lot of this science is beyond my knowledge, but going from what I just encountered here, I'm pretty sure we'll be able to do all of those. So my overall thoughts, if you were in the market for something like this that are massage pads, that's just easy to go, $79 currently at what its price is. I don't know if I can really choose. There are some other options on the market, but none of them seem to be as intuitive as this is. But for my use cases, muscle soreness and recovery, I definitely am going to keep this in my gym bag at all times because this is just really convenient to have on my person. This is FDA cleared. It is not waterproof. It takes about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge within the actual case itself. And with the case, you can get up to 24 hours with 4 hours on a single charge. Again, that will vary considering how much intensity you want in your massage. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that like button. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be one of the first ones to know when my newest video does come out. I also wanted to let you know that Olynvolt did actually send me this device and did pay me to review it, but all of my opinions are my own, and Olynvolt did not force me to give it any sort of glowing reviews or anything like that. But I am happy for them to reach out for me to review this product because I'm happy to have it on my person. If you are looking to purchase this product, a link will be down in the description below. A little bit of that purchase will help me grow my channel. But as always, guys, stay happy, stay healthy, and above all, stay positive. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.